Hey guys, it's Byron Vick with Big Time Roofing. Today I'm going to tell you guys why insurance companies pay for roof replacements. I get this question a lot when I'm going door to door or when I'm running an appointment. Someone says, I say, hey, there's hail, there's wind damage to your roof, and the customer says, why would they pay for that? Well, there's a couple of reasons why. In all insurance policies, there is something called the Act of God clause or acts of nature, and basically meaning that if your roof, if your dwelling is damaged by something that's out of your control, then they are obligated to pay for it. When a storm's coming, you can't put your house on wheels and roll it away, so there's no way for you to stop that damage from happening. They don't, however, pay for neglect or general wear and tear. If your roof is, say, 25 years old and you had a hailstorm when it was 15 years old, but you never did anything about it, and then you have somebody come out and say, hey, there's hail damage, they might come out and say, well, the last hailstorm that came through was 7 years ago or 8 years ago, whatever it is, and the roof has deteriorated so much since then that this is a general wear and tear problem. This isn't a hail issue. So that's why it's good to be on top of your claim after a storm comes through, whether it's wind or hail, tornado, hurricane, whatever it is. And the reason why they want to pay for the roof when it gets damaged is because obviously your roof is covering everything underneath. If your roof is damaged and it is eventually going to start leaking, they would rather pay to replace the roof and maybe some of the decking if it's damaged also by water than they would pay for that spray foam insulation you got, your HVAC system, your electrical wiring, your rafters, your interior downstairs when it's pouring through your kitchen onto your refrigerator and everything. So it's much more cost effective for them to pay for just the roof and make sure that there's no water intrusion coming into the house than it is for them to just say, oh, no, that's not part of it. We don't want to pay for that, and then turn around and have to pay for everything that happened, that the damage causes underneath the roofing system. So that's really why insurance companies pay out for roof replacements. It's really about saving them money in the long run. They'd rather pay for your roof than they would pay for everything else that gets damaged if your roof is leaking.